Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will give you a complete walkthrough on how you can use Gamma application in 2025. Gamma is an AI tool that helps you create the stunning presentations, documentations, and web pages in just a few minutes without needing you any designing skills. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you can download the Gamma application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then you can sign in into your account, or you can also try its features without even sign in or login in. So over here on the home page, you are going to see image GPT, doc GPT, video GPT, web GPT options, etc. So here you can either use the search bar in order to search for anything, and it is going to give you the results based on the search that you have made, or you can also tap on the option of create presentation. After that, you can select the type of presentation you want, like professional, academic, inspirational, humorous, funky, etc. You can also select the text amount, like brief, medium, or detailed. Let's say I want this combination. Over here you can select how many slides you want in that presentation. So let's say I want 3 slides in my presentation. Then in the language you can select which language you want your presentations in. You are going to see a bunch of different languages here, so I'm going to be keeping it here in English. Now this is going to be the main section where you need to describe the topic of your presentation. So let's say the topic of my presentation is digital marketing. So here, after typing it, you need to simply press continue here in the bottom. Now it is going to take some time to generate the content for you, and it will look something like this. In the slide 1, it has given us the overview. In the slide 2, it has given us the key strategies, and in the slide 3, it has given the summary and call to action. So here, if you click on the option of continue, you can select the abstract, dark, or the light text mode. So let's say I want this particular template, so you can select it and press continue. Now you need to wait for some time until it shows you all of the slides that it has created. As you can see over here, it is looking like this. So it is looking quite good, especially if you are in the education industry. You will need these types of presentations. With the help of Gamma AI, it is very easy for you. Now once your slides are ready, you can download it in the form of PDF, or you can also share to your friends or family members. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.